they hydrolyze, okay? Actually hydrolyze so this urea and they make the ammonium, okay? NH4 plus, okay? So then the actually plant root, okay, the plant root they can take easily ammonium, or then actually from them, you know, some of this they can go to the air, okay? So by the actually so by this process of actually volatilization, okay, right? So if it is make NH3, so then it will go to the air, okay? So for this actually process we can call that actually volatilization, okay? Okay, so then and this ammonia can change also into the nitrate, okay? So it means the plant can take nitrogen into form, okay, right? Okay, so for this one is actually you can call the ammonium, and also this one you can call some nitrate, okay, right? So for from this process we can call the nitrification, actually, you know, right? Okay, so this process we can call the nitrification, okay, right? Okay, so for actually here need two bacteria. Do you know the name of this nitrogen? I always so actually one is nitrosomonas and also another is nitrobacter. So for this one is the main thing you must learn, okay? So actually you know actually for okay, so for actually this process we can call that nitrification, okay? Actually here is two bacteria, one is actually nitrosomonas and another is nitrobacter, right? Okay, so they change to actually ammonium to nitrate, okay? So it means the plant root they can take nitrogen as a form of actually ammonium and also as a form of nitrate. Okay, right? Okay, so then actually from here also some of this nitrate they can change and they can make the nitrous oxide, okay, and also it can go to the air, okay. So for this process we can call that denitrification, okay, denitrification. Also, I think that you know all this, right? So for this actual process also needs some bacteria, okay. So number one is micrococcus, if I'm not mistaken, and another one is actually pseudomonas, okay, pseudomonas bacteria, okay. So for the nitrification here need two bacteria. One is nitrosomonas and also nitrobacter, and here also for the denitrification it means some of the NO3 loss, which can be lost as a form of nitrous oxide, and here so this process we can call the denitrification, right? Okay, here also needs some actually bacteria. One is actually micrococcus and also another is actually pseudomonas bacteria, okay. Okay, so it means the plant can take the nitrogen as a form of ammonium and also nitrate, okay. So then these ammonium and nitrate after some step they make the actually protein, right? Okay, so for here we can find the actual protein, okay. Okay, so and also actually you know the DNA and also RNA, okay, you know. Okay, so for actually this ammonium also NO3 they can make the actual protein, also DNA RNA. So for the DNA RNA we don't need that. Okay, so now actually we know actually this actually protein come. Okay, so we apply nitrogen to the in the soil. It means we apply this, and this one actually break down. They make the ammonium. The plant root can take this nitrogen as a form of ammonium, or maybe it can change into NO3. The plant also can take nitrogen as a form of NO3, okay, right? So then these two they make the actual protein. Then this actual protein can break down with the help of another enzyme, okay. So this enzyme name is actually protease enzyme, protease, if I am not mistaken, okay. So this actual protein actually break down with the help of another enzyme. This enzyme name is actually protease enzyme, right? Okay, so then this enzyme, if the actually protein is break down, okay, so then it makes the actually amino acid, okay, amino acid. So for actually in the plant, can you tell me the plant have how many amino acid? I think that we know, right? 22, right? 20 or 22? Right, okay? Okay, say. In the plant you can find actually 20 amino acid. It means if the protein break down, then we can find the amino acid. So out of 20, this actually methionine. Actually, methionine is one kind of actually amino acid. Okay, right?
Yes.
Clear, right? Our whole cycle is clear, right? So we apply this PhD urea to the soil, right? Then the plant take nitrogen as a form of ammonium and also nitrate, and from this ammonium and nitrate we can get the protein. Then the protein break down, it makes the amino acid. Okay, the plant has 20 or maybe 22 amino acid. Okay, out of 20 or 22, this one is actually methionine. Okay, so from this actually methionine amino acid, the plant they can make the ethylene hormone. Okay, right? Okay, so how it is. Can you please tell me? Can you please tell me how this methionine, right? Methionine. Okay, so this methionine after some step it plus make the ethylene hormone, right? Ethylene. So it means here is there one enzyme. This is some synthase enzyme. Okay, so it can make the sum, right? Actually it's so easy and also very simple. Okay, and then actually this one is make the SEC, and then at last we can get the ethylene hormone. Okay, ethylene hormone. Actually here some synthase. Okay, so here is here also actually one enzyme. This is SEC synthase. Okay, so you have to memorize all these enzyme name. Why? Because if I put this question, I will put the 10 marks. Then you have to give me the detail. Okay, you have to start from urea. Why? Because 10 marks. Yeah. Okay, so actually here is actually one enzyme is SEC synthase. Okay, here also another enzyme. This is SEC oxidase, right? If I'm not mistaken. Okay, right? And also for this one also can change here. Can make another cycle. This sum can change into ampere. So this ampere can change ampere, right? Ampere, and also here also ampere can change into alpha keto methyl butyrate. Okay, butyrate. Okay, and then actually so it means the sum can make again into methionine. Okay, so for this cycle you can make EN cycle. Okay. Okay, so for this one actually breakdown actually needs some energy, right? Okay, so for all the reaction starting they need some energy. Okay, so for this energy here actually one ATP will be used. Okay, right? Okay, so here is the one ATP will be used, and then it will change into ATP plus PI, right? Okay, so to start. Okay, so for you're sleepy, right? Okay, so you have a motorbike, and you need to start. Okay, you need to give some energy. Okay, same also for any types of reaction, you have to invest some energy. Same also here, one ATP breakdown. It means if the
Apa aku ikut nanti tengok balik.
So for actually ATP is look like this. Okay, ATP means adenosine triphosphate. Yeah. Okay. So if it is breakdown, it's not our class. Okay. Still, I think that so it make the ATP is right. Okay. It means one bond is breakdown. It is all types of energy they are stored in the bonds. Okay. Say for actually here. Okay. Energy. All energy we are stored in the bonds. Okay, stored. Okay, if you break the bond, then energy is released. Okay, so for here is ATP. It means here we break down one bond for we get some energy. So energy used here. Okay, so then here it will ATP. That means I don't know, say
Diphosphate.
And here is tri. Okay, right? Okay, so for actually we are here, right? Sum. Okay, sum is S adenosine methionine. Okay, right? Okay. Actually, and for this one can be changed all, can be changed of spermine or maybe spermadine. Okay, spermine or maybe spermadine. Okay, you check the slide like this. Okay, so for actually, you know about the SEC is one amino cyclopropane, one carboxylic acid. Okay. One amino amino cycloprotein, then one again carboxylic acid. Okay, so at the end that's right here. Okay, so for here, so for some can change into spermine or also spermine. Okay, right? Here then with the MSEC and this one also sometimes can change MSEC. Okay, so it is methyl, one amino cycloprotein, one carboxylic acid. Okay, right? And here also need one enzyme. This is SEC oxidase. Okay, actually oxidase is burning here. Okay, and also as well burning for the burning. Okay, so for the burning need oxygen. Why? Because if in the room there is no oxygen, we can fire.
Yes.
Same also here. Why? Because this enzyme is oxidase. Something burning here. Okay, so also for this here we need one oxygen. If you burning something, then it makes
CO2.
Yes. Okay, if you burn something, then it gives the carbon dioxide, right? Yeah. Same also, and also plus actually HCN. Okay.
Yes.
At last we got this help us blood loss insulin hormone. Okay. Yeah. So this hormone push the food to be ripened. How? So this hormone push all the enzyme here to stimulated or maybe activated. If no this plant hormone, then the food will never ready. Okay. So now clear. Okay. So for this whole things you can call the ethylene biosynthesis. Okay. So this whole cycle or process you can call the ethylene biosynthesis actually process. Actually maybe you can find this question. Please actually no please. Okay. So so write in detail about the ethylene biosynthesis process during fruit ripening. Okay. So then you have to tell me the detailed things like all this. Okay. So if you start from urea, then I will give you 10 marks. Okay. 10 to 10. It means 10. But if you give like this cycle, then I give 5, 7.
7.
It's not 8.
Okay.
Okay. So actually all this about the fruit ripening, right? I think that you are clear. Huh? Okay, now I will start my class today class. Okay, so for actually here we can see the factor affecting fruit ripening, okay, right? Okay, so for actually all these factors can be divided into two groups. Okay, so actually some of these factors they just affect the fruit ripening. Okay, so all this one can divide into two groups. Okay, so for number one we can group actually physiological factor. Okay, physiological factor, and also number two types of factor is physical factor. Okay, physical factor. Okay, so for for number one, actually number one we can see the fruit maturity. Okay, right? So for physiological actually factor is number one is fruit maturity, number one, and also number two may be temperature. Okay, and have some more. Okay, so for actually here we can see actually this actually fruit maturity can affect the fruit ripening. Okay, so for actually here we can see if you harvest the fruit early. Okay, so say for for this one is it should plantain. Okay, so it means actually there is a one banana. Actually this one we can call the plantain, right? Plantain. Yes. Okay. So it means here you can see if we harvest early, then it takes long time to fruit ripening. Okay. So here you can see if we harvest late, then it will take less time to ripen. Okay. Can you tell me why this happens? It means the fruit maturity can affect the fruit ripening. It means ripening time. Okay. Or maybe you can call sort of ripening usually. Okay, right? Okay, say for actually if we make one graph, say for if we make one graph, it will look like this. Actually, so for this case is it? can say this one is a actually fruit set, or maybe you can say also sell initial stage, right? Okay, and then we can stage these stages of the fruit growth.
Time.
Vegetative.
Flower development.
All is gone, right?
Okay. Yes.
Why is it this way?
Stress.
Cell expansion, then is maturation, right? Then is ripening. Okay. Okay, say for can you tell me? So it is here actually. Say for if we harvest here with this, okay. So actually here maybe you can give the scale from 1 to. So for banana you need to harvest around 3 bulan, okay, or sometimes it is 4 bulan, okay. Say for if it is here is 4, say for here is we can write 80, here is maybe 90, right? Okay, so for if we harvest here, then it will take to ripen around 10 days, okay. But if we harvest here, then it will take some less time, okay. Can you tell me why it look like this? It means here you can see the fruit maturity. It means if we harvest the fruit early, then it will take more time to make fruit ripen, okay. Or if you harvest the late, if we are late to harvest, then it will take less time to the fruit ripen. Here, if you harvest in 80 days after fruit setting, then it will take around 22 days to ripen. And also, if you harvest like this, then it will take almost half day. Okay, here is 22 days, here is 11 days. Can you tell me why it's happening? Equally, okay, equally now, and equally, and also maybe we actually due to the heavy hormone FCC acid, okay. So okay, so for it means if we harvest early, then the fruit have higher amount of starch, okay. But if we harvest late, then the fruit have less amount of starch, okay. So for this reason, if you harvest early, then it will take more time to ripen. Why? Because to ripen, all the starch need to change into sugar, right? So for all the starch to change to sugar, it will take more time, okay. But if you late harvest, make this some of the starch already changed into sugar. So for these reasons, it will take less time to be ripened, right? Okay, so now we can go to the another cause. So for temperature, right? This for temperature. Okay. So for actually you have a mango orchard, and you just harvest the mango and you store it for ripening. Okay. So you store it for ripening. So for the store A and also store B. Okay. So for in these two storage house, you keep the same mango. Okay. Same. Okay. So if it's always mango, you just harvest it at the same time or same days, right? Okay. So for in this house, maybe temperature around 20 degrees centigrade, and here is around 30 degrees centigrade. So in the both storage house, you keep the same mango, same days harvest. Then now, can you tell me the ripening time would be high in this time, in this storage or in this storage?
B.
So
B.
So it means just tell me, here will take less time to be ripened, or here will take less time to be ripened? Actually here B, okay. So now actually here it will take less time to be ripened. Can you tell me why in this why the mango of this storage they will take less time to be ripened?
High density.
Okay, I know here is high. How this temperature can affect the fruit ripening?
Micro.
Can you tell me some of the reasons why in this storage house have high temperature? How the century temperature can affect the fruit ripening?
Reduction.
Easier. Okay, so for
For respiration.
Okay. Yes. I find the answer. Okay. So if the temperature is high, then the rate of respiration will be high, right? Okay. So it means say if in this room there is no food. Yeah, then
I'm sweating.
okay, and also maybe my shirt will be sweating high because then the rate of respiration will be high. Okay, so for if the rate of respiration is high, how this affect the food?
Enzyme.
Okay, so loss of water will be very high. Okay, it's a very easy and simple equation. Okay, so if the rate of and also I want to another one main things like if the rate of respiration is high. Okay, just go and give some water. You extra. You don't be like this. It's okay. Okay, so with this, okay, number three. If the rate of respiration is high, so I think now is high because some of us we are doing like this because we feel warm. Okay, right? Okay, so ethylene production also will be high, right? So ethylene actually production will be high. So clear, right? It means if in the storage house the temperature is very high, so it means then it will take less time to be the ripen. Okay. Okay, why? Because if the temperature is very high, then the rate of respiration is high. If is high, then the loss of water will be also very high, and also the ethylene production rate also will be high. Okay, so then the fruit will take less time to be ripened. Okay, right? Okay, so for actually all this about the effect of temperature. Okay, so you just read that, then you will know that more. Okay, so actually now we get loss of water. Okay, okay, say for actually there is two fruit. Okay, two fruit, right? Okay, two fruit, right? Actually, two fruit. Okay, so fruit A, also fruit B. Okay, so in the from the fruit A, the loss of water is very high. The loss of water is actually tinggi, and also from the fruit B, the loss of water is low. Okay, I don't know. It is tinggi, then it is
Rendah.
not. Okay, so now these two fruit at the same fruit, and over here how we harvest at the same day, same time. Okay, but from the fruit A, the loss of water is very high. From the B, the loss of water is less. Okay, so now which fruit will be ripen early? Of course, if the loss of water is very high. Okay, so then the fruit will take less time. Okay, then the fruit will take less time to be ripened. Okay, right? Yeah. Okay, so now how this relative humidity can affect the fruit ripening. Okay, say for in this house we store some fruit. Also in this house we store some fruit. Okay, so for in this house RH it means relative humidity is around 98%. Okay, but here in this house this RH is around 70 to the polo. Okay, and we keep the same fruit. Okay. So now can you tell me? It is two types of fruit. They will take same time to be ripened, or one will take more time and another will take less time to be ripened. Okay, so in the house there, the RS is very high. Okay, around 98 to 100%. Okay, relative humidity here. Okay, is very high here. Okay, and here is RS is around 2 polo. Okay, so now can you tell me in this house will take less time to be ripened, or maybe this house?
This house. Less.
Less time to be ripened. Okay, so I want any other opinion? So in this house will take less time, huh? Okay, tell me why.
Because the humidity is high.
Okay, then
Moisture.
High rate of
Water rate. Lost moisture.
okay. So
Lost little moisture.
I don't know how science.
However, humidity will decrease. Water tinggi.
Fruit losses little moisture. Moisture dia rendah, hilang.
Okay, that's
So,
tell me.
ripening
One
akan
house
berkurang.
and very high
Berendah akan
relative
berkurang.
humidity, and another is less. Okay, so we store the same fruit. Okay, same days we cut the fruit, we keep it. So now tell me which types of fruit will take less time to ripen. Now we change. Why change your mind?
because relative humidity.
Okay, clear. Okay, because now tell me the loss of water will be high in this house or in this house? Loss of water will be high. Of course, loss of water will be very high in this house because they have very less amount of
Ripening
humidity.
period.
But in this house, no loss of water. If water was zero, then the fruit takes longer time to be ripe. Okay, right? So this B fruits will take less time to be ripe. Okay, so in this way, RS can affect the fruit ripening. Okay? Okay, so now it's ready to eat. Okay, so now. Okay. So now I need to draw one tree left. One tree. How can you draw a tree? So tree is look like this, right?
So, relative humidity low.
Okay, so there's a tree, right?
Ripening period akan low juga.
Ripening period. Masa untuk dia masak tu cepat dah macam itu. Apa letak reason? Jangan lupa hantar abstract kat tepi.
Bila je tengok bila?
Aku tengah record ni.
Bila kena hantar? Bila? Kat klik bila?
Okay, now please look at the board, please. Okay, so now I try to talking how the radiant heat. Okay, so for this heat can affect the fruit ripening. Okay, so for I draw one mango tree. Yes, thing left, drink, just drink. It's not wow like this. Huh?
It's like a shell.
Okay, so for actually I try to draw one mango tree. In the mango tree I draw two mango. One mango is outside. Okay, and another mango is inside of the tree. Okay, so now now we just cut these two fruit and we keep in the storage house, and in two storage house all the environment is same. Okay, so now just tell me, the fruit will take much time to ripen, or maybe the fruit will take much time to ripen?
This one. This one. Yeah, outside.
Will take more time to ripen.
Yes.
No. Less.
Less time. Okay, so for this time, this fruit will take less time to be ripened. Why?
Photosynthesis. Respiration.
Water loss.
Open.
Water loss.
Increase.
Can you please tell me actually why this fruit it will take less time to be ripened?
Less time.
Higher
Outside fruit and inside fruit. Sunlight, yes. I got that. Okay, so now, okay, so for it means this fruit will get more light. Why? Because this fruit is outside fruit. I know it's outside, but this is inside fruit. Actually, inside fruit don't get much light, right? Okay, so if here is more light, then the heat accumulation will be high in this fruit. It means the temperature accumulation or heat accumulation will be high in this fruit. Okay, so if in the fruit have high temperature, then there will be a high rate of respiration, loss of water very high. For all these reasons, the fruit will take less time to be ripened. Okay, and also now here. Okay, this fruit is grow in the shady area, right? And also the heat accumulation will be very low in this fruit. Okay, it will take much time. Okay, now tell me, which fruit will be more sweet? Is it? Okay, now I want to ask another question. Which fruit will be more sweet? This fruit or this fruit? You will same tree. Same tree. We cut the fruit. Outside fruit will be more sweeter. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Maybe more tasteless. Why? Because in this area of the leaf they got more sunlight, they make more food, and the fruit will get more starch sugar. So for this one, the fruit sweetness will be very high. Okay, right? Okay, so say some of the fruit here, and also some of the fruit here. Now, okay. See here. Okay, so I draw two fruit here. One fruit is upper of the tree and another is lower part of the tree. So now the fruit sugar content will be same or not?
No.
Actually here is the lower position, here is the upper position. Okay, so the fruit sugar content will be high in this fruit or in this fruit?
The upper one.
The higher one.
Any other opinion?
Any other opinion? Ini ada.
Okay.
Apa?
Okay, you say the sugar content will be high in this food. That will be high.
Okay, respiration.
Dia sunlight.
More.
Dia
Sunlight.
Hah?
Lambat tak sampai ni.
Tapi dia dekat
Tapi
dengan
dia
daun.
ada sunlight, so nak buat food lagi cepat.
Dia nak, tapi dia dekat dengan daun. Daun tu banyak dapat
Tapi dia
fotosintesis.
dekat dengan baju ni. Dekat dengan bawah dekat.
Dia kena dekat sunlight.
Can you
Can you tell me
ada
which
aku
food
tu
will be most
no
bad?
answer.
Okay, the fruit sweetness or fruit quality will be very high in the top part plant or lower part. No. Okay. So here, so the fruit sugar content would be the lower part fruit. Why?
Oh.
Okay. Now you can ask me why.
Why?
Okay. So for you know the leaf, okay, right?
Uh-huh.
Actually the leaf. Okay, the leaf means all the fruit. Okay. Actually, and then all the fruit they move forward from the leaf. Actually, you know the leaf at first they give sugar to the root. Okay, so all the food at first. Okay, if the root is okay, then here sugar, and then here sugar. It means in the lower part food they get more food. More, yeah. So all this fruit, all the fruit they get more food. It means they get the more amount of stuff, and then it is less. Here the fruit sweetness will be low. Why? Because the leaf, all the food movements look like this, down movement. Okay, if the root is okay, then
Long way to go.
yes, actually lower to some higher, okay. So from the food in the top part area, they are less sweet. Almost same but less. Okay, less. But we can get food here from here. So the food have higher amount of sugar lah. Okay. Okay, so it's not your class. Okay, so now I will go back my class lah. Okay, so for now you know the heat. Okay, so if in the fruit the heat accumulation is very high, then the fruit will take less time to be ripened. Okay, right? So we can move to the next slide. Okay. Oh, now so I think that now you know about the ethylene.
Ethylene.
If in the tree or in the plant I have higher amount of ethylene, then the fruit will take less time to be ripened. Okay, right? Okay, why? Because you know all this ethylene hormone need to stimulate the enzyme. Okay, if in the plant have more amount of ethylene, then all the fruit they will take less time to be ripened.
To be
right?
ripened.
Okay, so it should maybe okay. Say for here, if you okay, say for here, you can see in this food they just apply the ethylene and no, it means so far here is no ethylene. Here they apply some ethylene. Here they apply more ethylene. It means if in the same also, if in the tree have more amount of ethylene, then the food will take less time to be ripened.
To be ripened.
Okay. Okay, so now we can come here.
Physical
Mechanical
factor.
damage. Okay, so if the fruit have some damage, okay, say for okay, so for actually if the fruit actually during the harvesting, if the fruit drop into the ground, okay, so if the fruit drop to the ground, maybe here some of the tissue will be actually bruising, okay. So if someone hit me here, then I got pain here. Why? Because some. Can you tell me why the pain here? Sometimes we got pain here. Why the pain? How the pain is occurred? You know about the biochemistry. Actually, you know about the biochemistry of pain.
Don't know. We know before we
Actually, sometimes our muscle. We have muscle.
Muscle
Okay?
contraction.
So actually, why sometimes we got the pain?
Stretch. The muscle got stretched. No?
Stress. Again about respiration, right?
Respiration.
So,
Yoga.
okay, so for you must okay. So for this one, we can divide it into two groups. One is aerobic and anaerobic.
Anaerobic.
Okay, so if in your muscle have anaerobic respiration, then it can make some alcohol, right? And also it can make some acid. If your muscle have some acid accumulation, then you have pain. Okay, so then how can remove the pain? So maybe you can give the heat, or you can give some balm. Okay, so if you give heat, then all the AC that will go somewhere, there is no pain. So you need the pain biochemistry. Okay, same here. Okay, so if you try to cut the foot, then maybe somewhere the foot is dropped and here is the bruising. It is some part of the tissue there is broken tissue. Okay, here then the okay. So for actually here, if it's two mango, one mango is good and another mango is bit actually damaged. Okay, so that can tell me it will take more time to ripen, or this one will take more time to ripen. This one will take less time to ripen. Okay. Less time, no more time. Okay. So now can you tell me why the fruit? They will take less time to be ripened. Why? Because it's already damaged. Okay. Okay. So how this damage can affect the fruit ripening? One much. How?
Moisture loss.
Okay, okay, loss of water. Okay, if it is some part, then so this way pour. Okay, with the way the
Evaporate.
Water, and also in this area the rate of respiration will be very high. Also, and if the rate is too high, then this ethylene production also will be very high.
Oxidation.
So if the fruit are damaged, then the fruit will take less time to be ripened. Okay, so for actually here you can see if you read that slide, you can. Yeah, so if in the peel, we have some actually cut or maybe cut, then it will take less than it will take 100%. Okay, so if we see if no cutting, then if the fruit takes actually 10 days, if the fruit cut, then it will be
5 days. 9 days. 40.
Okay. Okay. Now we know. Okay. If the fruit are cut or maybe something damaged, then actually the loss of water will be high, and also the rate already happen, and also microbial attack. Actually there are some biotic will come here. Okay. So maybe some fungi will come here, right? Because they will go inside and they will make their house. Okay, right? So in this way, the fruit can take less time to ripen if the fruit are actually damaged, right? Okay, number 2 cause is surface to volume ratio. Okay, so for actually here we can see the 2 fruit. Okay, one big fruit and another is small fruit. So for this fruit, surface to volume ratio is high. Okay, and here surface to volume ratio is low. Okay, so now can you tell me the big fruit will take less time to ripen, or small fruit will take less time to ripen? Yes.
Big
Okay, so actually now we know why, because the big fruit have so many pores. With the pore, the loss of water will be very high. Okay, so for this reason, if the actually surface to volume ratio is high, then the fruit will take less time to ripen. Okay, right? Okay, now we can see the peel thickness. So it's very easy and also simple. If the peel are thick peel, okay, so then the fruit will take more time to ripen. But if the peel is very thin, like tomato, it will take less time. Why? Because with the thin peel, the loss of water or something can be applied. Okay, so this is very simple and also easy. Okay, so for the tomato density. Okay, so sometimes in the peel also have tomato, right? If in the fruit peel the number of tomato is high, then the fruit will take less time to ripen. Why? Because with the tomato water. Okay, and also biotic stress. Okay, say for actually here. So for in this fruit have some microbe, which have some fungi infection, alright? But so then this good fruit will take less time too, or this one will take less time too, right?
This one.
So if we see here, this fruit will take less time because if some damage here, then it will make the ethylene. Okay, so why the fruit do like this behavior? Okay, so if the fruit thinking, because the fruit has still life. Okay, so actually if something inside, if the fruit understands, then he need too much ethylene. Why? Because he's thinking, if I'm not ripe early, then my anak or baby will die. Okay, actually he push himself to ripe early, and someone will come and pick up me and go somewhere else. It means all things happen because he sacrifice. sacrifice. Okay, so it is if same thing. If we die, we think that my life is short life. Actually, maybe I have. So then I will give all money to my wife or maybe some. Same thing also happen. Even though there is a before if the leave, leave. Actually time to die. If leave thinking, actually maybe he will be dropped, maybe tomorrow. Then the leaf, all food from the leaf he give to the plant. That's very very interesting. The leaf, all the food give to the plant, then he drop. He actually receive the plant. Okay. Of that. So, planter how smart, so kind. So for the fruit of centurion, the fruit thinking, my someone already attacked me, my life is very short, so huge to make the eating too much, then the fruit ripened, then the bird will come and eat, then my baby will be settled. Okay, I am going, okay, never mind, but my child will be good luck. So for this reason, the fruit will be less than. Okay, so it is. Okay, maybe this light is no need lah. Oh, okay, no more. Oh, very short.
40 minutes. Cepatlah. Tolong. Kopi gelang aku nampak tak? Gelang dah tajam.
Okay, go ahead.
Sedap dua jam.
Okay, say for actually you have mango orchard, okay, in your house, or maybe have some mango tree lah. Okay, so you just harvest the fruit, okay. Okay, so you just harvest the mango, but the mango takes longer time to be ripened. Now actually you are so hungry, and why? Because you are hungry to eat lah. There are so many mango fruit in your house, but you cannot eat. Okay, so then maybe you will do something. Okay, so so maybe you need to do the stimulation of ripening. Okay, stimulation of ripening. Okay, so it is you have to push the mango to be ripened early. Okay. Stimulation of ripening. Okay. So then maybe you all can find one question: how you will stimulate the fruit ripening? Okay? How you will stimulate the fruit ripening? You're so hungry. Say you are hungry, but you already harvested the mango. The mango still not ripened. It's green. Okay. So then you will be angry and you will throw.
No.
So then you will do something. So how you can stimulate the fruit ripening? Say for I can give this question. How you will stimulate the fruit ripening? There are 5 marks. Can you tell me how you will stimulate the fruit ripening?
With hormone.
Okay, that means then.
Put.
You increase temperature.
I will put couple.
With banana. Right.
Okay, so how you stimulate? Then maybe you will go to the market. You will buy 2 or 3 mango ripened mango. Just to bring here 2 or 3 ripened mango. Just right there. Okay. So for just keep 2 or 3 usually ripened mango. Okay. So then this under mango will ripe within 2 or 3 days. In this way also we can stimulate the fruit ripening. It means you have to mix the unripe fruit with ripened one. Okay, so in this way we are. So now can you tell me why the unripe fruit they are ripened? But because the ripened fruit they make the ethylene. This ethylene is the unripe one. Okay, so it means you just mixing the unripe mango with the ripened one. Okay, so in this way we can stimulate the fruit ripening in either way. Or maybe we can apply calcium carbide. Okay, calcium carbide. Okay, carbide, CaC2 carbide. Okay, CaC2. Okay, so for this one is not good for us health. Okay, so it means if CaC2, okay, this one we can call the calcium carbide. Okay, if you apply CaC2 in your unripe fruit, within 1 day, gone. Okay, all the fruit will be ripened. Okay, so it means you can apply calcium carbide. Okay, or maybe you can apply some ethaphone. I'm not sure the spelling. Okay, so it means you can apply CSE2. It means you can apply calcium carbide or maybe ethaphone. Okay. Ethaphone or ethaphone. Okay, so for usually these two chemicals they can make ethylene. Okay, so it means you can apply calcium carbide or maybe ethaphone to the actually under fruit and they will make the fruit ripening. Okay, right? Okay, number 2. So but we need the 5. Okay, or maybe you can give some smoke treatment. Smoke, you know the smoke.
Smoke treatment.
A smoke treatment. Okay, so it means actually if you give the smoke treatment, if you give the smoke treatment, it's not this one, right? So it means in the ground you will make a big hole and then you will keep all the and then you just attach with one pipe. Okay, then you will make fire here. If you make a fire, all the smoke will be go here and within 1 day all the food will be ripened. So for this one we can call the smoke treatment. Okay, so it means you have to dig one hole and you keep all the and then you have cover and here you just attach with your pipe. With the pipe just give some smoke. If you apply the smoke treatment within 1 day, 2 days, all the food will. And even though you know banana how we ripen, they use these techniques. Okay, so they use the smoke treatment within 1 day, 2 days, the fruit will be ripened. Okay, so why? Because the smoke also can initiate or the smoke also can produce the ethylene.
Mix and ripe with ripe.
Okay. Okay,
There is sugar content?
so for the smoke treatment, it will be good why? Because it's not no. Okay, so for it's smoke. Okay, so it's a smoke. So if you give the smoke treatment, the method it will initiate the ethylene. It can make the ethylene. Okay, so the smoke can initiate the ethylene. This ethylene will push the food.
Rasa smoky.
Okay. So I think that all the banana or maybe it should be some better. Okay, within 1 day, 2 days can happen. Or maybe so maybe number 4 maybe you can take a bean. You know some bean, in the bean we keep some rice. Okay, rice and maybe some just few food we keep in the rice. Okay, within 2 days the food will be rice. Yes. Or so maybe you can put in rice or maybe you know the rice husk. Rice husk is rice or maybe rice straw. You know the rice straw. Rice straw we have to you can give one actually you know the rice straw that you put here so the food will be ripened within 2 or 3 days. Why? On same thing. Here will be very high temperature. Also all this they will make more ethylene. This ethylene will push the fruit. Okay. So it means you can put in the rice bean or rice straw, rice husk bean. Then the fruit we can stimulate the fruit ripening. Okay. So it means so we can use the rice husk or rice straw to stimulate the fruit ripening. Okay. Or maybe yes, so. There is another interesting thing. If you have motorbike, you give start and you know the bike can give the smoke. You just collect the smoke and give to the fruit.
What?
The fruit will ripen.
Serious?
Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. So for actually all the
Balik.
Okay.
Satu letak dekat beras.
Okay. So now.
Masak rokok boleh? Masak rokok boleh?
Asal rokok tu dah tak elok.
Ambil banana sumbat dekat Aziz. Ni banyak sekali. Sampai tu anggar dalam komplet.
Can you tell me the fruit name?
Nangka.
Dah habis dah.
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit.
Okay.
Jackfruit apa nangka?
Jackfruit. Okay. So
Cepat.
you harvest the fruit. Okay. Okay. So but it is almost like this.
Almost stainless.
No ripening. So then, even though 20 days,
No ripening.
it's still hard. So then,
Finish.
sure, you can cut. Sorry.
Put at the rice.
Cover.
Cover
Can you
with
tell me one easy
towel.
method? Within 2 days, the fruit will be ripe.
Balut.
Karabat newspaper. Kasih karabat.
Put it on under sunlight.
Okay, no, you just take one long stick.
Well,
Long stick. You take one long stick, then you just
Oh, cucuk kat tengah tu.
insert the stick here.
Oh.
Insert the stick.
Then
And then if okay, it's okay also. And then if you are more hungry, if you are more hungry, then just put some salt here.
salt.
Salt. Within 2 days, the fruit will ripe.
Salt.
Okay, number one. Actually, number one, you have to take a long stick. You have to insert the stick. It means you have to make some injury or damage. It's a very simple method. Now you clear. So why the fruit right now? Because you already damaged. Big damage. If damage, the fruit will make it heavy. Push it to be right. Even the salt also can. So if you apply, it means here you make some
Salt
injury.
macam nak
With
tutup
the injury,
luka aku.
say we just cut. And in your cut, if you put some salt, then pain, too much pain. Here also too much pain. So in this way also. So if this here also we can make some. It's usually damage lah. If you make some damage in the fruit, then you also can stimulate the fruit ripening. Okay, right? Clear? Okay, so now here is 5 marks lah. 5 marks already. Yeah? Okay. So how you can stimulate the fruit ripening? If you see the question, then you can put the 5 marks. Then yes, you have to give the five results. Okay. It's 5 way. Okay. So for number one, maybe you can mix the fruit. You can mix the fruit. It means you can buy some ripened fruit and mix the ripened fruit with the unripe one. Okay. So in this way also you can stimulate the fruit ripening. Number one, and also you can apply the CSC2, this calcium carbide, or maybe you can apply also and also another one also 0.1. You can apply 0.1% ethyl. Okay. So for ethyl. Okay. So if you apply, but so for this one is not good for our health. So this one is not good, and also this one is not good. Okay? So it can make the cancer. Okay. So it is better to actually avoid all these chemicals, right? Okay. So number one, you can make the fruit, the unripe and the ripe fruit, and you can apply the CSC2 or maybe you can apply the so for this one is good, it's not so dangerous for us. But this CSC2 and also ethyl is not good for us because it will make the cancer, right? Okay, and also maybe we can apply the smoke treatment. It is you can dig a hole and we can keep the fruit and cover, and then we can give some smoke lamp. Okay, right? And also maybe can put the fruit in the rice husk or rice straw, and also we can make some damage in the fruit, and also at last we can apply some ethyl to the fruit. Okay, in this way we can stimulate the fruit ripening. Okay, now clear, right?
Yes.
Okay, so but now actually you just harvest the fruit, but the price is low price. Okay, low price. Now you have to keep some more days left, because if you can keep the fruit some more days, then you can get the high price left. It means actually sometimes you need to delay the fruit ripening. Okay, now actually we know how we can stimulate the fruit ripening, and also we have to know some method how we can delay the fruit ripening. Okay, right? So maybe you also can find this question. Okay, delay, how we can delay the fruit ripening. Okay, right? Can you tell me? So you already harvested the fruit, right? Okay, so now how you will delay the fruit ripening? Can you think and let me know? Okay, chiller. It means issue number one, maybe we can keep the fruit in low temperature,
temperature.
but actually not so low. No, if not so low, then there will be a chilling injury. Okay, so we have to maintain the low temperature. Okay, low temperature, and it must be above 10. Okay, if it is below like 4, 5, 6, or 7, then there will be chilling injury. It's not good. Okay, so we can store the fruit in low temperature. Number one. Okay, and then. Okay, so actually, so I think that you know about the charcoal. So we can apply some actually charcoal. It means here you just pour some charcoal here. Okay, so here you just pour some actually charcoal, then you can delay the fruit ripening. Don't you know why? So you just keep some coal, just coal or charcoal. Okay, then the fruit will take long time to ripening. Why? Because if the fruit makes this ethylene, then the charcoal
Absorbed by the
absorbs all the
charcoal.
ethylene. Okay, so it will take some time to be fruit. It means we can apply the actually charcoal for the for the fruit ripening, right? And also number three, maybe we can apply the one plant hormone. So for this one, name is malic hydrazide. Malic hydrazide, okay, malic MH hormone. Okay, so if we can apply this, usually after harvesting. Okay, so for actually after harvesting, maybe we can apply the malic hydrazide hormone. Okay, if we apply the hormone, then the fruit will take long time to be ripened. Why? Because this malic hydrazide hormone inhibit the ethylene production. Okay, so it inhibit the ethylene production. Okay, so in this way also we can delay the fruit ripening. Okay, and maybe you just harvest the fruit. Is not so late. Okay, so it means you just harvest the fruit, right? Harvest the fruit at optimum maturity. Okay, optimum maturity. Okay, so in this way also we can delay the fruit ripening, right? Number one is low temperature storage, and also we can apply the charcoal that we can delay the fruit ripening, and also we can apply the malic hydrazide. In this way, we can delay the fruit ripening, and also we have harvest at the optimum stage. Okay, it should not so late. If late, then it will take less time to be ripened. Right? Okay, so we need 5, right? One more. Okay, so you must take care during the fruit harvest, just not to bruise not to actually bruise. Okay, if the fruit had dropped to the ground, then the fruit will take less time to be ripened. You must take care during the fruit harvesting. Okay, right? Okay, so it means you can write. You must take care during harvesting. Okay, harvesting. Okay, so. And also, maybe you can make harvest the time of harvest. Say for if you harvest the fruit at the noon time, it means at the 12 or 2 or 3. If you harvest the fruit at that time, then the fruit will take less time to be ripe. But we need to harvest in early the morning, or maybe at night. It's not good to go the night to the fruit. Maybe some snake will harvest you like. You cannot harvest, but snake will harvest. Okay. So it means you have to harvest the fruit, or maybe in the morning, or maybe in the evening. Okay. So and have also some more. Okay, so at least we need the fact how we can delay the fruit ripening. Okay, so number one, we can keep the low temperature, or maybe you can add also number 7. Also, we can keep the fruit in high relative heat humidity, right? But in this way, the loss of water will be low, then the fruit will take more time to be ripened. Okay, right? Okay, so it means the food can store at a low temperature. Also, you can apply the charcoal treatments. You can apply the charcoal, and also you can apply the spermatic hydroside. And also you can harvest the food at optimum stage, not too late. And also, actually not to push the. Okay, you must take care actually during the harvest. And also, you can harvest the food at the time
morning or evening.
coolest time. Coolest time. You can harvest in the morning or maybe.
Evening.
Okay, right? So actually in this way we can deal with the food.
Harvest.
So maybe you can find this question. Okay, how we can stimulate the food ripening or how we can delay the food ripening, right? Okay, so still have time, right? No time.
Azra. Ibu. Aku kan
Okay, so
hari ni
can
apa
I
tu
open
lap.
another lesson note? No.
No.
Biasa.
Lagi.
Betul.
Lagi.
Sah.
Okay, so our question is on the next.
Huh? Our test next class.
Yes, of course.
After medicine.
Okay, so for our test one, okay, do you have any question about our test one? Okay, so for our test one will be from the lecture 1 to
Today.
Okay, so for lecture 1 to lecture 5 or 6, up to you lah.
5.
Okay, so for our test one will be until the loss. Okay, until the loss. Okay, so you will learn about lossing. Okay, so for lecture, so for HU test one, maybe I'm not sure. I already forgot. Maybe 5 plus mark or maybe 12 marks. Okay, so for our test one, maybe 20 marks or maybe 5 plus. Actually, I need to check back. Okay, so same thing. Actually, I will give you maybe around 10 question, short question and short question. Okay, so then maybe I will give you 10 question from the lecture 1 to lecture. Very easy and very simple. All of you can get A plus. Okay, right? Okay, so for actually maybe I will put short question or maybe drawing. Actually, maybe I can give one question. Please draw the different types of ovary. Okay, ovary is 3 types. Draw the person. Okay, so, or maybe I can give one. Please draw one mango fruit. Very easy, mango fruit, and also denotes its parts. Okay, parts. Okay. Or maybe I can give this question, how you stimulate the food maybe same things now, okay? Short question, okay? So, and maybe we can, okay, so our next class is point advantage, right? Okay, so in the class, okay, right? Okay, time is satu jam lah. If you need some more, I will give it to you, okay? Okay, so all this about our test one is next week, okay? Okay, so now